Hey, let's get some light next doing. It's 2010, so I thought, well, I'll use up the last of the video here. And then once that's finished, I'll pack the tripod away and carry away the that's all packed then. Got no everything all packed. Equal home 30, I might have a couple of teachers. Hey. Equal home 30.
Okay, 67 contact line control 119.7. Show 45 extra down to 27 left for takeoff, 740 degrees 120. So no Talia behind the final British Airways 320 from the left fire, 1927 right behind. Ahead of the passing, British Airways get 220 to 1 via Alpha 1, line up on wheels, runway 27 right behind, sharp mark 7 Talia.
Nice. Okay, just look at the Foxy's away. Well, he's going to do that. Snooty wiggy, snooty.
Link 21, link 22, hold Alpha 2. Link 21, 22, hold Alpha 2, United 905.
Hey. People hold steady, people hold steady.
47 Golf, 47 left for takeoff, 724 degrees 10 knots. We'll take off 37 right, 47 Golf.
Wow, look at that, that's so cool, isn't it? Yeah. I think you should do the departures. Because the cleaners weren't in today till I check out, so that's why I needed it long goggles. Hey. The departures, rolling departures, you see. It's exciting. Oh goodness, here you see, it's a lovely hotel. Anything you want to stay here again? Hopefully I can get a third floor next time. They're still good, it's still doable. Really, just put that over there, that belongs to them. Things that don't belong to me can go over here. Obviously. People hold tidy, not on your belly. Hold tidy, not on your belly.
Hold on for 4, left under 6, uniform, link 21, link 23, hold on.
Yes, legend.
Link 1, link 23, holding Alpha 1, Lufthansa.
Like a bird, the first time. Like a virgin.
People 7 right, Yankee 27 right, clear takeoff, 724 degrees 10 knots. 27 off, 27 right, people 7 right. Even 26 second behind departing Air Lingus 320, lines away 27 right behind. Behind the departing Air Lingus, lines away runway 27 right behind, speed bet 26 echo.
Turn up when they think you're rolling on.
Yeah, 46 Alpha Golf, contact line control, 134125. 10415 west, 46
Then they go home. Easy peasy. No, that goes that way. Yeah, it does that, does it? Do that. Triple checking everything, making sure I've got patch everything that's 9, left everything that's not 9, and so on. Let's take it along. Double check that out, I think. Yes, it's good. It's all really good, all good.
Tower 7 Hotel Lima 27 right clear
We
takeoff.
love being at the Heathrow hotel. We love being at the Heathrow hotel. We're going to miss it, of course, because we love it here so much. Heathrow hotel. Heathrow hotel. We love this Heathrow hotel. I really love to go. This is a lady in the background. Hello, Heathrow hotel. We love Heathrow hotel. Yeah. Yes, we'll go back to the Heathrow hotel. Heathrow hotel. Take one after loaded then. Okay. That could go into all Heathrow hotel, not on your day.
27 right, speed for takeoff, speedbird 26 Echo. 9905 behind defining British Airways A350 by Alpha 2, line up 27 right behind.
Leeds.
Behind the A350, line up behind United 905 from 82.
Do that, you get the whole thing. Wow.
Tower 7 Hotel Lima, comfort London control 134125. London 134125, shop block 747.
It's really handy, it's cloudy on the last day because I like to stay in and get non-backlit shots. Yay! Using zoom-ins.
7 runway 27 right clear takeoff, surface wind 230 degrees, 10 knots.
Not too soon, I doubt that much.
774 behind defining United 767, line up runway 27 right behind. I'm passing United 767, line up runway 27 right behind, 774.
I'll shoot out a bit more there. Wow, that spooled up the engines. Fogged up the engines right there.
538 when you can, hold out for 3. 538 when you can, hold out for 3.
I love how you can hear the through the window slide break. It's quite cool. So they've got ISL 400 at the car.
This is Holy Pluto. 589 when you can, hold out for 3. I'll be okay, but yeah. 905, surface wind 240 degrees, 10 knots from 827 right, clear takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 27 right, United 905. Engine free November behind the flying British Airways 320 headline from 827 right behind, there'll be one intersection departure ahead. On the 320
Like a virgin, for the very first time, like a virgin.
602 low, hold out for 3. Down 3, 506 low, hold out for 4.
Beat up, Heathrow hotel. Just Louis landing.
Japan Air 42, link 21, link 23, hold Alpha 1. Link 21, then link 23, hold Alpha 1, Japan Air 42. NSUA, okay behind departing British Airways 320 from the 495 Alpha 4 line up 27 right behind.
309 departing 320 from Alpha 4 line runway 27 right up right behind me, that's America.
It's a nice shot, yes, we are.
Lima 7, contact line control 120.5.
Nice shot, yes, we are.
No. Go to the zoo. To the zoo. Last Sunday.
Lima 7740, 7 right clear takeoff, surface wind 240 degrees, 13 knots. Clear takeoff, 1 right, clear 774. Etihad 81 Charlie behind us, departing Virgin A350, lines on 27 right behind.
Time departing Air Virgin A350, line up and away behind. Clear very much off.
United 905, contact line control 134.125.
134, 125, get it, United 905.
Thanks. Finnair 2 Romeo Echo surface wind 240 degrees, 13 knots, from Alpha 4, from 87 right, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 27 right, Alpha 4, Finnair America.
Heathrow hotel, I like Heathrow hotel. I love being at this lovely hotel. La. I think it gets ready yet. Honestly. You do it after 1 o'clock after I go on. They'll be cleaning up this room. They get all fresh, ready for someone to stay in it after 3 o'clock today. But tonight there'll be someone else living here. Maybe a pilot lady or another place was or random passenger lady.